Hi, and welcome to another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and I am broadcasting right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook page. Now, if this is the first time you're watching this show, this is a weekly show I do right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook page, and we basically talk about current affairs in the island of Jamaica. Yes, so bias towards Jamaica. And the reason we do it is to share information or current affairs with Jamaicans and non-Jamaicans who have interest in Jamaica. Share information with them about what is happening within the week that the show is broadcast, so that they can share their thoughts and to just keep in tune with what is happening in the island. I'm a journalist. I've been a journalist, practicing journalism for at least 6 years now professionally, and I've been broadcasting on Jamaicans.com Facebook page for maybe about 2 years now, and I have been contributing as a writer, blogger on their wonderful blog. Alright, you need to go check out what I write. But I know you saw the caption, and if it is the first time you're watching this show, let me just explain to you, it's an interactive show. So I talk, you talk, and I reply to all of your comments, right? So, of course, today, as the caption indicates, we are going to be talking about babies having babies. I am pretty sure some of you have been seeing the reports of Vybz Kartel, 15-year-old son who is soon to be a dad. That's right. So there have been photos being circulating on social media of his second youngest son, Raheem Palmer, who well, in the photo you see the young man and he stands beside an obviously pregnant young woman, and it seems as if they are at like a baby shower. Of course, on social media, there are people who are congratulating the young man. You know, he's also an artist. You know, bigging him up. You know, Father's Day is coming up, and this is good news. Baby announcement, all of that. While there are others who are saying, "Come on now, this young man is reportedly 15 years old, and the mother of his child is reportedly 18 years old." So of course there is an argument now that we may be encouraging statutory rape. I will tell you my thoughts shortly, but before I do, of course his father, Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer, has acknowledged the photos being circulating and the comments, right? And basically, just sum up what he said in a very PG-13 way: leave my family alone, leave my pitney alone, and leave my family alone. Basically, I have an issue with it. Why have an issue with it? He is not out of his teens. He's not an adult yet, and not because you reach adult age mean that mentally you're an adult. But I was once a teenager, so I know what it is like to be a teenager. I know you were once a teenager. We know that at particular stages of your life, your brain develops as you grow, right? At 15, I don't think it is necessary for you to be taking on, what should I say now, parental duties. It's not a necessity, right? You don't have to. If it happens, fine, but you don't have to. So I understand some people who are discouraging it and say, look here man, you're no wrong for congratulating him. What is this? While I also understand that, well, before I get to that, so I do not agree with us encouraging young people, especially teenagers, to be having children. That's not the time. I just gave birth, and trust me, it is a whole new ball game. Something that I truly enjoy, but you have to immerse yourself in the experience. At 16, at 15, even at 18 years old, you may not be at that stage mentally to immerse yourself, mentally, financially, even physically, to immerse yourself into this new journey. So I wish him all the best, and I wish the mother of his child, or as Jamaicans saying, baby mama, all the best. The other side of it is this: I don't think you should curse teenage mothers, teenage fathers, meaning ostracize them, isolate them. I don't believe in that. It gone, as I said, the horse fly through the gate. It happened already, right? So I don't believe in ostracizing them. So I'm not so comfortable with people saying I waste people them that and that nothing good now will come from it, and so no. I do not appreciate comments like those, right? Encourage them. This is your first child. This is the start of your new life. How are you going to make preparations? Here are some of the things that I do. It may not work for you now, but you have to start thinking about how you're going to be a parent. Do some reading. Watch some documentaries. You understand? Talk to other role models. Or other people who you say are your role models who happen to have children. Right? Encourage them. Because at the end of the day, if it is that we're just going to ostracize them, isolate them, cuss them out, then we are just influencing a cycle. I want to know your thoughts. I'm not going to be sticking on one topic for too long. Come and tell us I had enough things we have to chat about, you know. Enough things we have to chat about. So as you would know, the curve, the COVID-19 curve or spread of COVID-19 in Jamaica is at a stage now where we are seeing less cases. So we'd say the curve is flattening. As a result, the Prime Minister of Jamaica made an announcement recently, basically to say that the work from home order will expire May 31. Trust me, let me tell you, when I was watching the press conference and I saw that, my heart sunk. I'm going to tell you why. I'm a new mom and I really enjoy staying home with my baby. I really do. And I have no problem with the work from home. None. I mean, it's more work, but it can do. So I was a bit sad about it. But the other side of it is this. There are so many Jamaicans who are not ready to return to the workspace. So as of June 1, the Prime Minister said that, okay, we can go ahead and return to our workspaces. Of course, maintaining the same health and safety protocols, right? And that's fine. But I don't think, that's fine that he made the announcement. For some people, it will be an easy fix because there are not so many people working in that space. For others, right now, work from home is their new normal. Why? Because the children are not back at school physically until September. So who and how are they going to be able to fix that issue, right? Who is going to help and how are they going to be able to fix that issue? Another thing, right? I don't think that Jamaicans are mentally prepared for the work from home. I don't think at all, right? We're still going through a crisis, financial health, and I don't think we're physically ready for all of what comes with physically going out and making bread, right? So if it is that you're an employer, right? I'm almost outdoors, so if you hear the outdoor sounds and so, that's why. I'm broadcasting from my veranda. Yes, if it is that you're an employer and you don't think it's completely necessary for you to change the model right now, the operational model of your business, make the people stay as is. And I see some other big corporations like Grace Kennedy, the CEO has said, well, I am going to go by phase. It's going to be a phased basis. I'm not going to tell everybody to rush to work. Because realistically, and we hear business owners saying this, realistically, the new normal is remote work. I've been doing remote work for years now, and trust me, I tell you, it works out for me perfectly, right? I'm still productive, and there are ways in which that you can hold your employees accountable. My thing is, if it is that we see something that's working that can, one, reduce cost, and two, improve productivity, why not expound on it? So are Jamaicans ready to return to work? I don't think so. I don't think so. I want to know what you think. Are you a Jamaican in the island who will have to go out and start working again? Let me know, right? I won't be here for long. Just to let you know that we are still accepting applications for the Live Well Jamaica Grocery Grant Program. So if it is that you do want to apply, right, you have children in your family, small children in your family, or you have disabled children in your family, or you have more than, or you're a single parent, then please apply. Go over to the blog livewellja.com and you will see all the details that you need to apply, right? And of course, you can always continue the conversation with me in the comment below the comments. So please drop everyone I know, just drop comments, right? So until next time, go over to my Facebook page and follow me, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. I'm on YouTube. I'm also on Instagram, A_Mowatt, and Twitter, A_Mowatt, right? Let's continue the conversation. Suggest topics for me to discuss. And of course, continue to follow Jamaicans.com on Facebook because we have so many live shows, right? Until next time, take good care of yourself and your family and come reason with me.